Hi friends, welcome to your channel Tilak Achievers. Today I explain JEE Mains. Okay, here mainly I explain that 7 problems. I explain that here. First one is here explain first one solution. First one is distance between the foci. Foci means mainly two focus there. Those are yes, AE comma 0. This is one focus. S dash minus AE comma 0. Distance between means yes S dash. That means square root of AE minus or minus AE. That means 2AE whole square. 0 minus 0 means 0 only. Let us cancel square and square root. We get 2AE. So here distance between foci means 4 root 13. So here 2AE equal to 4 root 13. 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. That implies AE equal to 2 root 13. After it gives us length of conjugate axis. Length of conjugate axis means 2b. Transverse means 2a. Conjugate means 2b. 2b is equal to 8. 2 ones, 2 fours. That implies b equal to 4. Here, what do you want? Find eccentricity. Here, to find eccentricity, I use one formula, that is b square is equal to a square minus a square. Here we know b square, we know a also, we don't know a square. So a square take this side. That means a square is equal to a square, we know b square, bring this side, minus b square. So here, AE value 2 root 13. 2 root 13 whole square minus b value here 4 square. 2 square means 4. 4 into root 13 square means 30. So 4 into 30. Here we get 52 minus 4 square means 16. So here 12 minus 6, 1 left, 4 minus 1, 3, 36. So AE equal to square root of 36. We get here 6. Now we find eccentricity. E equal to formula a square plus b square by a. So here square root of a value is a square means 36 plus b value 4. B square means 4 square means 16 by a means 6 only. So here 36 plus 16 square root of 52 by 6. 52 can be written as 13 4 jar. So square root of 13 into 4 by 6. For 4 square root 2 root 13 by 6. 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar. So eccentricity is root 13 by 3. This is the solution for first problem. Now I explain the second one. Here, second sum. If the lattice rectum through one focus subtend right angle at the further vertex of the hyperbola, then eccentricity is. That means this is take this is y axis and take this is x axis. Here one there hyperbola there, here one hyperbola there. Here take this is one vertex A, other vertex A dash. One focus S, other focus S dash. So here, what do you want? He gives us if the lattice rectum through one focus. That means suppose here lattice rectum there. This is through one focus. Okay. Lattice rectum through one focus, subtend right angle at the further vertex. Further vertex means this is this curve vertex. Further vertex means this one. This is a lattice rectum. Subtend right angle at the further vertex means here 90 degrees. Okay. Here 90 degrees. Further vertex half the hyperbola. Then he wants us eccentricity. Okay. Here point AE comma 0. Here A means A comma 0. A dash means minus A comma 0. Okay. Here minus AE comma 0. Here point, you know, this is y-axis. This is semi-lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum means 2b square by A. Semi means b square by A. Here x-axis. X-axis means here if you take AE comma, here on y-axis semi-lattice rectum means half. That means b square by A. Here also on the x-axis positive AE. Suppose this is negative axis, so here minus b square by A. Okay, this one completed. Okay. Here A dash, here. Suppose if you take P, you take Q. Solution. So here, from the figure, triangle P A dash Q. Q is right angle triangle. Rectangular triangle. Okay. Here the angle P A dash Q. This one enough. Okay. Here we use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Here right angle means here PQ is hypotenuse. That means PA dash square plus QA dash square is equal to PQ square. Okay. Here the distance, we apply the distance formula. Here x2 minus x1 whole square. That means AE plus A. Already here minus there. Distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AE actually here minus not there. AE minus A, but minus there means minus to minus plus. AE plus A whole square. AE plus A whole square plus here b square by A. Here 0. AE comma 0. That means b square by A whole square plus similarly here also AE plus A whole square, AE plus A whole square plus here also b square by A whole square is equal to here also we find distance, but you know length of lattice rectum 2b square. So we take directly 2b square by A whole square. Okay. Here AE plus A whole square plus AE plus A whole square. That means 2 of AE plus A whole square plus here also b square by A whole square plus b square by A whole square. That means 2 b power 4 by A square is equal to here also 2 square means 4. 4b power 4 by A square. Okay. Here if you take A common, 2 of A take common means it come outside A square. 2a square of b plus 1 whole square plus here we do one thing, 2b power 4 by A square take the side. That means 4b power 4 by A square minus 2b for 4 by a square. Here LCM a square only. So here 4b power 4 minus 2b power 4. 4b power 4 minus 2b power 4. Here we get 2b power 4 by a square. Here 2 cancel. A square also take the side. That means e plus 1 whole square is equal to b power 4 by a square into a square, a power 4. Okay, this is first result. Here we know eccentricity formula, that is b square is equal to a square, e square minus a square. Here also, if you take a square common, that means b square is equal to a square take common means e square minus 1. Okay, a square be this side. That means b square by a square is equal to e square minus 1. Actually, b power 4 by a power 4 by. That means here also squaring on both side. We get b power 4 by a power 4 is equal to e square minus 1 whole square. Take this is result 2. Here 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Both are equal. So here e plus 1 whole square. E plus 1 whole square is equal to e square minus 1 whole square. Okay. Here it can be written as e square minus 1 into e square minus 1. After expand this, we get e plus 1 into e minus 1. Here also e plus 1 into e minus 1. Solution going to complete. Here e plus 1 whole square is equal to, here also e plus 1 whole square into e minus 1 whole square. E plus 1 whole square, e plus 1 whole square cancel. This side 1 minus 1 is equal to e minus 1 whole square. Okay. E minus 1 is equal to 1. E is equal to 1 plus 1. So e is equal to, we get 2. So answer is 2. Here eccentricity is 2. This one also complete. Now we complete the second solution. Now explain the third solution. If the lattice rectum of hyperbola through one focus subtend 60 degrees at the other focus, then eccentricity is. That means here also this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here one curve there, here also one curve there. What is mainly the lattice rectum of hyperbola through one focus? That means here is here the lattice rectum through one focus, lattice rectum of hyperbola through one focus subtend 60 degrees at the other focus. Other focus means dash dash. Here angle 60, other focus subtend 60 degrees. That means this is a lattice rectum here angle is 60 degrees. Full 60 means if you take this one of 30 degrees. Okay. Here points AE comma 0. Here points Here AE means here also AE. Here we take semi-lateral rectum, that means B square by A. Okay. Here we use only one formula, that is tan theta. Why? Because we find a eccentricity here from triangle, from the figure. From the figure, tan 30 degrees is equal to its opposite. This side, this is B square by A. B square by A into 1 by this length. This length means S dash. Here S dash means 2AE. You know 2AE. Length of distance between foci means 2AE. So here tan 30 means 1 by root 3 is equal to here B square by A into A square 2A square into E. Okay. Here B square value B square is equal to A square E square minus A square. If you take A square common, E square minus finish. So here B square value A square of E square minus 1 by 2A square E. Let us cancel here A square. So 1 by root 3 is equal to E square minus 1 by 2E. Here we take cross multiplication, that means 2E equal to root 3 E square minus root 3. 2E take that side, that means root 3 E square minus 2E minus root 3 equal to 0. Let us find here factorization. Root 3 into root 3 we get 3. Here middle 2 there. That means 3 into 1. Minus 3 plus 1 we get minus 2 only. So let us factorize here. So here root 3 E square minus 3E plus E minus root 3 equal to 0. Suppose from here and here, if you take root 3 common, or here and here, if you take root 3 E there, if you take root 3 E there, if you take this one common, here E remains, here, if you take root 3 means root 3 remains, plus here if you take one common, E minus root 3 is equal to 0. So here and here, E minus root 3 common, here root 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Here E minus root 3 equal to 0 or root 3 plus 1 equal to 0. E equal to root 3 or E equal to minus 1 by root 3. Here E value greater than 1, that means we take E equal to root 3. Okay. Here third sum solution also completed. Here fourth one. Equation of tangent to the hyperbola 4x square minus 3y square is equal to 24, which makes 30 degrees with y-axis. Equation of tangent. What do you want? Equation of tangent. First of all, we take given hyperbola. 4x square minus 3y square is equal to 24. Divide on both sides. With 24 we get 4x square by 24 minus 3y square by 24 is equal to 24 by 24 means 1. 4 ones 4 6. 3 ones 3 8. We get here x square by 6 minus y square by 8 equal to 1. What you do here? Which makes 30 degrees with y axis. So here he give angle. Here tangent make 30 degrees with y axis. That means we take always with x axis only. Suppose this is the coordinate plane. Here it makes 30 degrees with the y axis. That means we take angle here. This angle exterior 30 plus 90 120. Here also 120. So here slope m is equal to tan 120 degrees. That means tan 90 plus 30 degrees. That means cot 30 minus cot 30 degrees. So you will get minus root 3. So what do you want? Equation of tangents. Equation of tangents. Y equal to mx plus or minus square root of a square m square minus b square. So here y is equal to mx. M means root 3. So here we got minus root 3x minus root 3x plus or minus square root of a square. A square means here a value 6. A square means 6. M value we get here root 3. So root 3 square means 3. 16 to 3 minus b value here b square 8. So here minus root 3x plus or minus square root of 6 3 are 18 minus 8 we get here 10. So here equation of tangent y equal to minus root 3x plus or minus root 10. This is the solution for fourth one. Here, fifth sum. Equation of the tangent to 3x square minus 4y square is equal to 12, which are parallel to the line 2x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So solution. Given hyperbola, that is 3x square minus 4y square is equal to 12. Divide on both sides. With 12 we get 3x square by 12 minus 4y square by 12 is equal to 12 by 12 we get 1. 3 ones 3 fours. 4 ones 4 threes. We get here x square by 4 minus y square by 3 equal to 1. This is the first equation given line. That is 2x plus y plus 7 equal to 0. Take this is 2. Okay. What do you want? Equation of a tangent to hyperbola which is parallel to the line. That means equation of tangent parallel to equation 2. Okay. Here equation of tangent 1 parallel to 2. That means 2x plus y not change. In the place of sum we take k equal to 0. Now we find the here k value. K means actually equation of tangent which form y equal to mx plus square root of a square m square minus b square. So here this k is equal to, we find here square root of a square m square minus b square value. Okay, we find this value. Here square root of a square means 4 into m square minus b square means 3 is equal to, here he gives us 7. So squaring on both sides we get 4m square minus 3 equal to 7 square, which means 49. 4m square is equal to 49 plus 3, that equal to 52. 4 ones, 4 13s. M equal to root 13. So here in the place of m we take root 13. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent of 1 is y is equal to m value root 13 x plus here square root of a square. A square means how much into 4? 4 into here m value root 13. M square means 13. A square m square minus b square means 3. So here root 13x plus square root of here 42 minus 3. 12 minus 3. Here we get 9. Here under 39. This is the solution for fifth one. Now explain sixth one. Here what do you want? Find the number of tangents. Number of tangents means here we take given hyperbola. Given hyperbola x square by 9 minus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Here it gives us point 6, 2. Just we substitute this point in the equation. Here x means 6 square by 9 minus y means 2 square by 4, that equal to, here 6 square means 36 by 9 minus 2 square means 4 by 4. 9 ones, 9 fours, 4 ones, 4 ones. Here 4 minus 1, that means here we get 3. 3 is greater than 0, that means 3 is greater than 1 also. That means here this point lies outside. Lies outside means number of tangents 2. Number of tangents is equal to 2. Last problem here. Here, for all real values of m, first write line y equal to mx plus square root of 9m square minus 4 is a tangent to the curve. He wants us which curve. So here, suppose we test for this hyperbola, both are not hyperbolas. Here, this one and this one. So both are converted into hyperbolic form. We get here, divide on both sides with 36. We get x square by here 9x square by 36 minus 4y square by 36. Here 36 by 36 means 1. 9 ones, 9 fours. 4 ones, 4 nines. Option 4 also. 4x square by, similarly again, by 36 minus 9y square by 36 is equal to 1. 4 ones, 4 nines, 9 ones, 9 fours. Here we get x square by 9 minus y square by 4 is equal to 0. Here x square by 4 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Sorry, here also 1. Actually, what do you want? This is a straight line. Suppose it is tangent. Tangent means what? Y equal to mx plus square root of a square m square minus b square form. So once checked, we don't know m, but you know a square and b square. Suppose we take this is a square 9, b square here 4, b square 4. So a square 9, b square 4. This is total. Suppose if you take this third option, a square 4, but here 4 not there, you take once 9m square minus 4. Here a square 9. A square 9 means here, b square 4 means here. Here fourth option is matching. Here third option a square 9. Here 4 not matching. B square here 4. Here 9. So third option is wrong. So answer is fourth option. So this is the solutions for today 7 problems. I hope that all of you like this and prepare this full solutions. I request you all up to now who are not subscribed, please subscribe. Tilak Achievers. Thanks for watching.